Detectives have charged and arrested 32-year-old Michael Thompson, otherwise called Mafia, and Cartel in relation to the March 21 stabbing death of a man in Kingston. Thompson is of Mullines Road, Kingston 10 address. The deceased is 54-year-old Carlton Simmet of Onsdene Avenue, Kingston 10. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are at about 7 a.m. a dispute developed between Simmet and a man. The dispute reportedly became physical, and a knife was brought into play and used to inflict a wound to the left side of Simmet's chest. The injured man collapsed along the roadway and was transported to hospital by the police, who was summoned to the scene. He was later pronounced dead. Following an investigation, Thompson was apprehended later the same day and placed into custody. A man was shot and injured by a businessman who is a licensed firearm holder in Spalding, Manchester on Tuesday morning. The man was reportedly shot after the 68-year-old businessman heard sounds of a prowler on his premises, police reported. The 39-year-old injured man, said to be a laborer from Cobber District in the parish, has since been hospitalized. His condition is not life-threatening, the police said. Reports reaching Observer Online indicate that the incident occurred about 2 a.m. The police have declined to give further detail on the incident until they do further investigations. The Savannah Lamar Police in Westmoreland have charged a 29-year-old man following the seizure of a firearm and several rounds of ammunition in his community on Tuesday, April 2. He is Damario Williams, a laborer of Retreat, Little London in the parish. Williams was charged with possession of a prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition. Reported at about 12:30 p.m., officers were conducting an operation in the area when they reportedly saw Williams walking toward a building carrying a green plastic bag. It is alleged that Williams' suspicious behavior prompted the officers to approach him. He reportedly then fled on foot. The officers gave chase and apprehended Williams. Lawmen say a search of the premises revealed a Kel-Tec submarine machine gun and 11.40 caliber cartridges. Williams was arrested and subsequently charged. A court date is being arranged.